Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. In this question, the 2 to the power of x over e to the power of x part we can write as 2 over e to the power of x. After that, we can use the substitution u equals 2 over e to the power of x. To get dx value, we can consider the natural logarithm value of both sides and differentiation with respect to x. Using these values, we can simplify this integral. Clear? Let's jump into the question. Substitute u equals 2 over e to the power of x. Let's consider the natural logarithm value of both sides. Then left hand side we have ln u. In the right hand side we have ln 2 over e to the power of x. Using basic logarithms rule, we can write ln 2 over e to the power of x value as x times ln 2 over e. ln 2 over e value is a constant value. Then differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation of the ln u we can write as 1 over u. Differentiation of the u equals du over dx. Equals, in the right hand side, x times differentiation of the ln 2 over e. Since ln 2 over e is a constant, it is differentiation equals 0 plus ln 2 over e times differentiation of the x value. It is equal to 1. After that, we have 1 over u du over dx equals ln 2 over e. We can cross multiply denominator value u, and after that we can cross multiply denominator value dx. We can subject dx value as du over ln 2 over e times u. Let's move to integration part. Instead of 2 over e to the power of x value, we can substitute u. Instead of dx value, we can substitute du over ln 2 over e times u. Now we can cancel out denominator value u and the numerator value u. Denominator value ln 2 over e is a constant. So we can bring 1 over ln 2 over e value outside of the integral. Integral 1 value equals u. Finally, instead of u value, we can substitute 2 over e to the power of x. Using basic logarithms equation, we can write ln 2 over e value as ln 2 minus ln e. 2 over e to the power of x value we can write as 2 to the power of x over e to the power of x. ln e value equals 1. So we can get final answer as 2 to the power of x over ln 2 minus 1 times e to the power of x.